So I am presenting this virtual lab for the preparation of inorganic compound ferrous ammonium sulfate or Mohr's salt. You will require an electronic balance, right? Requirements are known to you. We have already listed out under the heading materials required. I have removed ethyl alcohol that is required for crystallization or recrystallization. We weigh ferrous sulfate and ammonium sulfate, right? Using a spatula, we weigh it on the electronic balance. We weigh about 7 gram of ferrous sulfate, an equimolar quantity of ammonium sulfate, that is 3.5 gram. With the help of the electronic balance, we transfer both the substances into the beaker. We put little water, but before that, to prevent the hydrolysis, we put little dilute sulfuric acid. So about 3 milliliters of dilute sulfuric acid is added to this. This will prevent the hydrolysis of ferrous sulfate to ferric sulfate. Now we add little distilled water and we dissolve by pouring this distilled water, but we heat the water before adding to it, again to prevent the hydrolysis, because this water which has been boiled, it is boiled to expel oxygen. If oxygen is present in dissolved oxygen is present in water, it will hydrolyze. So why we have heated it? To expel dissolved oxygen. Then we filter the solution. We collect it in a china dish, and now with the help of this glass rod which acts as a policeman, we filter it and we put this filtrate in a china dish over the Bunsen burner, right, using the wire gauze. You are aware the use of wire gauze, and the step is shown that how to check the crystallization process has taken place. We put it for cooling, we keep it for cooling. The dish is kept in a water for cooling, and after some time we find the crystals. We decant off the liquid and we get the crystals. This is the process of recrystallization. On the filter paper, we will get the crystals. They will be dried, pressing them between the folds of the filter paper. We will get light green monoclinic crystals of ferrous ammonium sulfate. These are the monoclinic crystals of ferrous ammonium sulfate.